Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Sacramento Police Department. On November 12, 2021, at approximately 4:49 p.m., Leo Norvell was abducted from Sacramento, California. Leo Norvell is a 3-year-old white male, 3 feet tall, weighing 35 pounds, with brown curly hair and brown eyes. The suspect, Joshua Conyago, is a 30-year-old white male, standing 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing 180 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. Joshua Yago has a tattoo on his right eye. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. The suspect was last seen driving a 2011 gray BMW 328i, with California license plate number 6NTU367. If seen, call 911.